Guys, this property, I'm telling you, I like it. I like it for myself. I had the opportunity that it presents.
Yes.
As I said, I love property. I love property that has a low cost, that I can definitely see potential for me
For
earning.
growth.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Hey D Squad, what's up?
How y'all doing?
Welcome back to the Delpratt family, guys. So guys, we'll be bringing you through a tour of a more affordably priced option on the housing market.
Yeah. So persons have seen us. Persons have been commenting under some of the videos that we've done and saying, hey, we can afford this.
Can't afford this.
Yeah.
You know, the regular Jamaican can't afford it. All this, that. So
we've been saying it a lot, and we actually have covered this in a previous video that we've done.
Yes.
Right? And we probably are going to link more than one of our videos because we've actually covered this topic in more than one of our videos before.
Yes.
Right? But this property is
St. Cassandra Estate. So it's like right at the border of Portmore and Spanish Town. Right? Salpan Road. Basically intersecting with the North-South Highway. Alright, so this is actually an update vlog to one that we did some time ago. So when they first announced that they will be starting this development again, because it should have been off the ground many years ago actually. Many years ago. A few years ago now it should have started. But some issues, now it moved over to China Harbour, so they are the ones that will be developing.
So a new developer basically.
Yeah. They're the one that will be developing this scheme.
This community,
Right. So now work has started. You can see in the video behind us. You know, work has started.
Yeah.
And it's a vast land, guys. You guys, so before we go any further, remember we had told you that Cass will be starting her YouTube channel soon.
Yes.
Well, guess what? You know, she has posted her first video, guys. So
finally.
Yeah, man. So a link will be in the description for Cassie Does Life. Alright, so on her channel she'll be doing like girl stuff. You know, she'll be doing her hair, her makeup. You know, she talk about fear girly kinda thing them, you know?
We'll be talking about life, y'all. We'll be talking about everything over at Cassie Does Life, alright? Not to get off limits.
Yeah, man.
And we kind of had a little bit of delay, but we're up and running.
Yeah, man.
So go and give me your support. Remember to subscribe, like, post notification. And remember on this video, you're watching this video, right?
Yes.
Thumbs up, guys. Give us your thumbs up if you like our content. And also, please give us your subscription if you are watching more than 3 of our videos, alright?
They'll be having, as we had said in the previous video, 5 phases, alright?
5.
Yeah, guys. So you can actually, there's a link in the info card up top there. You can definitely refer to that, alright?
So the South Coast Highway, when you're on the South Coast Highway, about to exit into Spanish Town or even into the Kingston Leg, you can actually see the back of the community.
Yes.
So it's actually that close.
True.
What I particularly like about developments that are priced at that has this price point is it's affordable for the average man.
Yep.
Everybody can afford it.
Yeah, you'd have to be house poor.
Exactly.
You know, you buy this lavish place and you're stuck with this expensive mortgage for donkey's years.
Yeah.
You know? And they call it being house poor.
So the 1 bedroom is the 6.5.
Yes.
And the duplex is the 5.5.
Yeah. So the duplex is actually two studio units adjoining to each other. Right? So based on this graphic that we've seen on the screen now, right? Basically with the duplex, so you can go around your house halfway, basically. But the 1 bedroom, you have full access to the perimeter of your house.
So the duplex is basically an attached home, while the 1 bedroom is as Adrian said, you can walk around your property.
Right.
So either way you take it, you do have opportunities to increase your value by actually adding bedroom. You do actually have the possibility to expand your home at this point. And the more you expand, is the more value you add. And it's at a stage right now where it's developing. And if you look at it for the next 10 years, this community, the price point of this community is definitely going to increase. And with you adding value to your home by developing, by developing your property, you basically had more value to it. You know?
Yeah, guys, and the important point too is, I mean, if you are not as affluent, right, but you want better for your family, this is a great way to, increase generational wealth. So you're basically building for the future. All right, because as we always say on this channel, the greatest way to escape poverty is by investing in real estate.
This is a project of HAJ. Therefore, if you are interested, all interested parties must contact HAJ and work through them to get one of these units. As we mentioned before, the duplex will be 5.5 and the one bedroom would be 6.5. There's no down payment required for these units, but you are required to pay a closing cost, and all that information can be found on HAJ's website, and that will be linked in the description below. And what I also like about this property is, I know some persons will look at a property like this and say, they start finding fault, like, okay, well, it's not gated. Okay, well, it's only a one bedroom. And they find all the fault in the world. Guess what? You're not stuck in any property, You buy it now, you don't even have to live in it. Right? You literally can buy a property now, sell it, and buy another one. So if you're gonna say, oh, I don't want to get a loan for a home like this, I don't want to be stuck in a house, you're not stuck in any property, you sell it back. You sell it. Like you buy a car. You don't want it no more, you sell it.
You don't even sell it, you take equity off of it, you use it to get another loan to get somewhere else. Right? So even them make a way there, because I'm sure this place will be appreciated, steadily over the next few years.
And persons will be like, well, me no want to get stuck with it, me no want this, me no want that. Listen, it's a way to increase your wealth. If you can't afford a gated community where you're going to sit down and lament and say, you know what, this year, what gated community, your money can't reach there, put your money where it can go. People always say, don't hang your basket where you can't reach it. Guys, this property, I'm telling you, I like it. I like it for myself. I had the opportunity that it presents. As I said, I love property. I love property that has a low cost, that I can definitely see potential for me earning and potential for growth. And the next thing with property is that you're not tied down in nothing, right? And a marriage. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But like, if you buy it, you sell it. If you buy it,
you left it for your kids. Leave it for your kids, whichever way. And guys, so you might say, well, one bedroom or a studio is small for me and my family. But you have the
option.
You have the option to expand. So you can expand on it. The one bedroom you can expand all the way around. But the duplex now, like a halfway around kind of thing. And you do your thing, you expand as a family, you expand too, and that's how it go.
And the next thing too, we also did videos in the past that spoke about private treaty homes. And the prices on private treaty homes are extremely different as well. So you can definitely find a home on a private treaty website, that is all the banks, go through all the banks, go through everywhere that sell house, right?
And guys, you can check the description, right? We actually did a video on various ways to find houses, including private treaty listings. So a link will be in the info card for that. So houses have various price points and the works. You can find in the info card, guys. So just press the eye up there. You see several videos listed, including Cassie Does Life. You know, her first video will be up there as well. Yeah, man. So, guys, thanks for watching. Alright. And remember to hit the subscription button, guys. And remember to like the video as well if you like what you've seen before. And as I said, check the info card. There are other videos. Check this playlist. There will be other videos of similar niche in the playlist as well.
And I love the private treaty homes because I think that they lend opportunity for great investments.
Yes.
So all right, guys. So that's it from the Delpratt family.
Yeah, guys. Peace out. Thank you.
Bye.